Hello guys, this is for Cancer. Welcome Cancer. Alamin natin kung anong messages, vibration, gabay, energy para sa lahat ng Cancer. So this is weekly tarot reading guys. This is from December 22 hanggang 28. Okay. Cancer. Ano ba ang message na kailangan mong marinig? Okay. Pasensya na guys. Sobrang lamig kasi dito sa lugar ko. And, sinipon ako. Okay, Merlina, Cancer. Are you confused? Okay, kasi yung first card mo dito, sinasabi na you are confused and undecisive because you do not have enough information. So, do research or seek expert advice before making a decision. Pwedeng may mga Cancer dito na gusto nyong magdesisyon or may mga plano kayo. Maybe you're planning to travel abroad for work, for business, or you want to launch a business, you want to build a house, build a family, career change, career move, anything na mga plano. Sinasabi dito na you're confused. So, medyo hindi ka sigurado. Hindi mo alam. So, if you are in this position, sinasabi ng Berasa yun na kailangan natin mag-research, kailangan natin na hanapin kung ano yung tamang information, and if possible, maghanap tayo ng mga tao na talagang may alam. Alright, so let's check. Ano pa ba? Kuha pa tayo ng isa. This is for Cancer. Okay. Okay, Maya. Schooling, study, and education. Oh, yun. So, parang resonated din siya dito kasi parang sinasabi na if we are confused and wala tayong alam, we need to study. We need to learn. Okay? So, education. Educating ourselves. 'Di ba? Matutulungan tayo nito para sa purpose natin and personal growth. Okay? So, sinasabi siya dito na the angels will guide you and help you with this process. So, kung ano man ito gusto mong matutunan, gusto mong malaman, ang angels and guides na nakapaligid sa'yo ay tutulungan ka nila sa kung ano yung kailangan mo. And Caressa. Wow. So, this message ay sobrang fulfilling siya kung para sa akin. Kasi, tingnan mo, sinasabi na you are at the end of a cycle in your life. Okay? Call upon your angels to comfort you and to guide you to your next step. Happiness awaits. You know. So, wow. So, nasa end point ka na. Nasa ending na. So, there's something na mag-i-end sa buhay mo na pwedeng magdadala sa'yo ng accomplishment, satisfaction. So, tawagin natin yung mga angels and guides natin para sa comfort and guidance. Okay? May naghihintay na kaligayahan sa'yo. Okay? There's a happiness waiting for you. Okay? I hope na nasa tama tayong line. Alright. Pasensya na guys. Hindi ko kasi nakikita. Alright. Cancer. Cancer. Oh, wow. There's 4 cards. First 4 cards tayo. King of Wands, Ace of Wands. Wow. So, nakikita natin dito, Cancer, na meron kang hinihintay eh. you're waiting for a job offer, or maybe you're waiting for confirmation. You're waiting for, parang balita to. Yan. Confirmation about sa new job, new career, new source of income, promotion, salary increase. King of Wands, this is job, this is money. So, meron ditong naghihintay na Cancer kung kailan siya mapopromote, kung kailan darating yung malaking halagang pera. Pero excited siya. So, you're excited for this new job, for this new money, for this lump sum of money. And siguro matagal na siyang hinihintay mo. Matagal na siyang nahang or matagal na siyang nakatenga. Stagnant. Bonuses, 13-month pay. Financial assistance from the government. Scholarship. Or ano man siya. Let's check. Okay, Queen of Cups. Ace of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles. Wow. So, yung 3 cards na yan, sinasabi ng baraha sa'yo na isang financial new beginnings na matagal mo nang hinihintay ang posibleng darating sa'yo. Is either from another water sign, Pisces, Scorpio, and Cancer, or maybe this amount of money na hinihintay mo ay posibleng magdadala sa'yo ng kalma. Siyempre, matagal mo siyang hinihintay eh. So, it's either promotion, it's either salary increase, lump sum of money. May binibenta ka ba? Kasi, kung makikita mo, this is huge eh. Okay, business. Parang nakikita ko, this is collaboration. So, maybe there's a Leo energy na posibleng mag-offer sa'yo ng job. Or there's a Leo na pwedeng mag-offer sa'yo ng assistance. Mentor mo ba yan? Nakikita ko sa'yo dito na isang family member ang pwedeng magbigay sa'yo ng good news. Isang family member ang posibleng makipag-associate sa'yo, makipag-collaborate sa'yo. Like business, parang gano'n. Alam mo, yung kapatid mo, tatawagan ka, tapos sasabihin sa'yo na mag-business tayo together, magbakasyon tayo together, ganyan, ganito. So, you are parang collaborating, or you are sikreto to eh. Diba? So, yun. It's either isang fire sign na Leo, Earth signs, Virgo, Capricorn, and Taurus, and Pisces, Scorpio, and Cancer, or ikaw, Cancer. You are parang planning. Ang nakikita ko sir dito, maybe hindi ito hindi ito Pisces, it's Scorpio. Sorry guys. Scorpio, ikaw as a Cancer, isang Scorpio, isang Virgo, ang posibleng nagpaplano. You're planning to create or launch a business, or maybe you're creating or planning for a reunion, or kung ano man siya na occasion. Alright, 10 of Swords and the Moon. So, kung makikita mo dito, there's a karma coming. Okay, kaso lang, nakakatakot siya. Okay, doon sa mga Cancer na may kaso ka ba? Okay, like may kaso ka dati. Or pwedeng meron kang, yun, mga legal cases. Pwedeng makatanggap ka ng subpoena na pwedeng magdala sa'yo ng takot. Or maybe you will receive the verdict. Okay, the confirmation from the judge. Or kung kanino man ito. So, confirmation siya. Kung naghihintay ka ng promotion, possible na sa lingkong ito makuha mo na yung message na you are promoted, or you're demoted, or you're fired. Parang ganun. Alright, so, Four of Pentacles. Nakikita ko sir dito, medyo nag-aalala ka. Medyo you're panicking eh. Nagpapanik ka kasi, pwedeng yun. Pasko, diba? It's December 22 to 28. So, nasa week ka ng paghahanda eh, diba? It's either wala kang perang panghanda. It's either wala kang perang pambigay ng regalo. Or maybe wala ka talagang pera. Parang ganun. So, you are panicking eh. Kung makikita mo dito, merong mga cancer na hindi ka makatulog sa gabi or you're worried kasi kailangan mo mag-ipon ng pera or wala kang ipon para panghanda. Oh. Sabi ng bara sa'yo dito na if wala kang pera, just give up. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan makipagsabayan. Hindi mo kailangan sumubay sa trend. Diba? Kasi your own happiness or the happiness of everyone ay hindi nakadestiny yan hindi yan nakadepende sa bawat kung magkano yung regalo, ganyan, ganito. So, simplicity or simplify your life sa Christmas season na to. Okay? And sinasabi ng barahan na isang nakadestiny na posibleng bagay ang talagang hindi matutuloy or i-give up mo within this week. Okay, 3 of Cups. 9 of Wands. But some, yung iba na Cancer, you will receive a message, an invitation sa isang okasyon, sa isang party. But some ay posibleng disappointed kayo kasi yun, you're invited pero wala kang pera na pwedeng pambili ng regalo or kano pa man. Nakikita din natin dito na may mag-asawa, mag-boyfriend-girlfriend na posibleng mag-away because of lack of money. Nakikita ko na magre-reminis ka sa linggong ito sa panahon na like yung dati noon na marami ka pang pera or maraming mga tao yung nagbibigay sa iyo ng regalo or ganito ganyan. So you're reminiscing of your past. But the problem is yun, tingnan mo Cancer. Yung last 3 cards mo, nakakatuwa. Kasi sinasabi ng barahan na posibleng sa linggong ito, maaalala mo yung tao na palaging nagbibigay sa'yo ng regalo. Or maybe ikaw ito, na palagi kang nagbibigay ng regalo. And then, ngayon, kaaway mo na itong binibigyan mong regalo. So, the other way around, vice versa, is either ikaw yung nagbibigay or ikaw yung binibigyan, magkaaway na kayo. So, yun. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!